Welcome back to today's episode on What's Cooking. So today we have this delicious, yummy jollof pasta. So easy to make and less expensive. So come along. So first of all, I'll prepare the base, which is the tomatoes, tatashe, shombo and onion. And I added ginger and garlic. So I'll just blend this up and let's get started. Add in your pasta and parboil for a few minutes and strain the water and set aside. So in the pot you add in your vegetable oil and pour in your mixture and just let it fry. So while it's frying, you are going to prepare your carrots. Just peel it off like this. It's easier this way and faster. Scrape the carrots and to remove any dirt, any sand and anything. But if you scrape with knife, there's still the tendency of you having a bit of sand inside, and you can imagine what that would do to your taste bud. So you just cut it into tiny bits as you prefer, but I prefer it this way. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so and click the like button and share this video with anyone you think should watch this. Thank you so much. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, and if you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing. So back to our base. I love this signature jollof spice. This is my go-to spice anytime. So I just added it in now, and I'll be adding in other ingredients like my seasoning cubes. So this is my meat stock. I'm adding now chicken stock, and I'm adding in my seasoning now. That was chicken stock with ordinary water actually. Added it in. Then the seasoning cube to your taste. I use Knorr and Maggi Star. Then when the water is boiling, then you add in your spaghetti so that it will not be too soft, it will not be soggy. It's better when it's boiling so that everything will just boil together and start cooking. So you stir it properly to incorporate all the ingredients, and we're almost done. Just cover. You know, spaghetti cooks very fast. This water was enough to even cook the whole spaghetti. So I just tasted to know how the taste was, and I added a little bit of seasoning cube. This is so easy to make and the taste was amazing. The blend of the ginger and garlic was amazing. So this is the final outcome of our jollof spaghetti. Come and join me, guys. I don't want to eat this alone. Yes, I'm nice like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.